Yo, what is good, everybody? It's Vic here. Today is Friday, February 13th. And yeah, no trade recap yesterday because I didn't take a trade. Mark PA was super bad. We just dumped, no retraces. Yeah, today I took longs, caught a winner back on the winning side of things. Yeah, it was another Judas type swing. Like, am I a Judas swing merchant? Oh, Lee, am I a Judas swing merchant? Where I'm gonna talk about that later, but oh, Lee, the three trades we hit this week were Judas swings essentially. Um, Let me show you a P&L, P&L, P&L. P&L card. 4,968 on the day. On the live account, we're up $700. Bigger day. On the alpha accounts, we're up 4,269. So that was around, like, I think it's 1,400 or 1,500 an account. Thank you, God. Needed this day, strong day to close out the week. Yeah, yeah, let's get into it. So coming into market open, there was actually a short idea I initially had in mind, which was this 5 minute IFEG. But the reason I didn't take it is because market open was actually super weird. We had CPI today, so we had a data wick low, we had a data wick high, by the way. There's two original trades I wanted to take, and when I hopped on the charts, we were sandwiched between this 5 minute gap and this 5 minute gap, and whichever one inversed is the one I would have taken, or is the one I would have liked to take. And I know I didn't really give a bias before I started. I initially wanted shorts because we have been super bearish like the last 2 days, but we have but we were currently now trading in a 1 hour gap, and we had these 1 hour swing low that I have marked out. So I really didn't have I wanted shorts, but again, like I always really say, I'm not really married to a bias. Whatever market shows me is what I would take, but I am leaning towards shorts because we have been bearish, so I just want to follow the trend, right? So when I come on the charts, I see this. We are currently sitting in a bullish 15-minute bull gap, right? So if we respect this and inverse that 5 minute gap, I could see upside because we have data week, we have Asia highs, and we have New York PM highs, right? But for shorts, I also know that we are currently was it a 4 hour? Was there SMT? Am I bugging? Like, we are currently downtrending. I'm trying to look for a higher gap sponsorship. Yeah. We are in a 5 minute gap, which does hold value because it's also these Asia highs, right? And it's not been inverse. So I'm thinking if we respect this and inverse this 5 minute gap, then I'll take shorts, and whichever one plays out, I will take. But the shorts ended up playing out. I did not take it because market open was extremely wicky, and I wasn't sure if I was confident, and I didn't know if I really liked this inverse. So this was the candle I was thinking about taking it on. So short right here, stops, body, close, like a 70-point stop. TP at this, bruh. Let me pull it up to the side more. Yeah, it stops, body, TP at these lows, right? So it ends up playing out, takes out this out. It happened so fast. Oh my gosh, I love days like these. I'm a Judas merchant. I'm a Judas merchant. So, right? So my short idea plays out. I didn't take it. I'm a little like, dang, should I have taken it? Because it's like the way PA has been the last couple of days, you really just got to take what market gives you and hope there's another play for the day. Because even as you can see after this play, I mean, it's still early into market. I ended up taking this at around like 850. as you're gonna later see, price action currently is just like dead, right? But as you can see, we sweep out this 1 hour low, or these hourly low in this 1 hour bull gap, right? We sweep that out, and I'm pretty sure it's also a 4 hour as well, right? Yeah, also a 4 hour. We sweep out these lows. And now in my mind, once we sweep out these lows, if we're given a IFEG formation, we can take this back to the upside, right? And we still have data wick highs. We essentially have equal highs as well. We have decent trend line. This is also, to me, this also stands out as this is really good AMD, right? Accumulation. So from here to here, we have accumulation. We manipulate to the downside. And now my idea is that we're going to get a distribution back to the liquidity pools that we have, right? I see it as classic AMD. So boom, we sweep out these hourly lows. I'm at this point, I'm just watching. A 2 minute gap is about to form when we're first. It doesn't show you all because it just shows y'all the candle close, but I start seeing a lot of like a huge amount of bullish reaction, right? I start seeing a strong reaction to the zone. And in one candle, I didn't even get in on it because the way I was seeing it, the candle was about to close. I saw so much bullish pressure building up. So I ended up front running, and my average price is around here. I'm going to show y'all the execution when we get out of replay mode, but I end up getting in around here like 79 or 78 or something. I end up getting in around here off this candle close. Bone or not candle close, but Frant ran it a little bit, right? So we in around here. Yeah, we're in around here. Then I really was not able to set my TP. I am looking for data wick, but that's a whole 1.18. I really don't care to get that. But the reaction was so bullish and as y'all know, I just trail my stop extremely tight, and whatever I can get, I can get. So we ended up getting stopped out around here. Boom, for a 1 to 1.5. Then so we just leave a little bit off the table because our original draws are data wick and Asia highs. But 1 minute IFEG, Frank ran it a little bit. I was praying it closed because I Frank ran it with like 7 seconds left, but with the amount of volatility that was in the market, I could have totally seen it just like retracing and not inversing before the candle closure. But I was fine taking that risk. Yeah, clear 3 drive pattern, IFEG, 1 hour, 4 hour, higher time frame sponsorship. I love this type of trade. Like I said, Monday, Tuesday trades were those trades as well. Similar trade, super quick into the open. Ended up, yeah, so 8:43, so 13 minutes into the open. Really love this style of trading because I feel like for the most part it's super obvious because the reaction is like extremely bullish. Is that all I have to say? Yeah, that's all I really have to say regarding the recap. Oh yeah, I didn't mention break even. Hold up. I mean, I really didn't even have time to really scout out where my break even would be, but I do know that once we hit around this 5 minute gap, I was once we hit around this 5 minute gap, I was break even. So, but it really didn't matter because this was like what, a 2 minute trade, 1 minute trade. Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah, thank you, God. Now we go to Zella. I'm pretty sure it's already resynced, but we go to Zella, ending the week off 1K week. Thank you, God. 1, 2. This is exactly what I want to see from a week for me, right? One trade. Took 4 trades this week. 3 out of 4 on the trades, and this is exactly what I was talking about. I don't know if it was one video ago or 2 videos ago. Is that like my standard for myself and what I really hope to accomplish is to be able to make or to be able to successfully hit at a 75 or 70% win streak, right? So I said if I took 4 trades, I really believe I can hit 3 of them. So that's a 75% win rate. But I'm just gonna say 70, right? That's really my goal. I know I can, I know, not by me, but by God, I really know that I can be hitting at a 70% win rate, like consistently. I really do know that, right? Getting better on keeping my one trade a day. I really said I will be strict on that. Yeah, we just want to build on top of our wins. Really hope I can finish this month out well, going into the 3rd week of February. Yeah, man, I'm super excited. 2nd green week in a row. Thank you, God. What else do I have to say? Yeah, no trading on Monday. It's a bank holiday. Let me show y'all these accounts. So my alpha accounts made 1,400 on the day. Drawdown back to normal. Up 2,240. Again, like I previously stated in the previous videos, these accounts need 6,000 to get paid out. So we need roughly around 4,000 more. Whenever that happens, like I've been saying, like I really just want to just be like stuck to my process, and whenever I get paid out, I get paid out. And so I really don't want to put a time frame on it. But all I will say, and I also did say my goal is 1 payout every single month. So if that's next week, right? Obviously I'd want it sooner than later, because I really do need this money. I really do need this money. I'm not gonna lie. I really do need to get paid. Oh, I did get paid. I did get paid December. I was thinking the other day, like, it don't feel like it though, because that was a smaller pay. I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, it's either this week or next, or regardless, either next week or the week after that. By God's grace, I will be paid. God, please let me just yeah. So next week or the week after that, but that would have to be. I really don't like doing math. Like, but 4K more. And already Monday's a no trade day, so if it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. But thank you, God, man. Like, I just gotta be consistent, keep stacking days, keep following my rules. And I know I'm a profitable trader. I really just haven't had the chance to really prove it. Oof. Oh, this is my other account though. Bad. Like, it could change really quick, bro. It could flip really quick, bro. Super bad. Super bad, man. Trolled myself, so I lost on my account. Wasn't trading that well. Not sticking, bro. Let me just say my talking, because we haven't got paid yet. We finna get paid though, for sure, by God's grace. Like, by God's grace, we finna get paid. Like, I just need one bigger payout than just let me get, like, what episode? I think we're on now episode 21 on the road to 10K payout. Taking a little longer than I expected, I won't lie, but everything happens for a reason. I really do believe that. Yeah, it's just me yapping now. Yeah, that's really the trade recap. Got another Judas. Holy, market is starting to rip. Got another Judas. Love those type of trades. Yeah, I'm really grateful, man. I really hope we can stack days. 3 for 4 this week. Why not, y'all? Y'all have a blessed day. That's all I have to say. I'll see y'all hopefully Tuesday. If not, the next day I trade. Or the next day I take a trade. Yeah, y'all have a great day. Why not, y'all? Why not us? We can get money too. Thank y'all.